The world was shocked just now when Elon Musk and Bill Nye announced one of the most amazing findings yet made by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, a network of strange lights shining on the surface of Proxima B, a planet just over 4 light-years away. The JWST's powerful infrared powers make it possible to see these lights very clearly. They look like the artificial lighting of a huge, faraway city. This discovery could change how we think about our place in the universe. People are scared about the idea that there might be an advanced society so close by. They wonder if they've finally found intelligent life beyond Earth. However, before we go any further, please understand this. The truth is even scarier than we thought, and this is just the beginning. Astronomers have been interested in Proxima B for a long time because it has features similar to Earth and is in the habitable zone of its parent star, Proxima Centauri. This placement suggests that conditions could support flowing water, which is an important part of life as we know it. This new find, on the other hand, points to a lot more than just water. Scientists think they've seen what looks like man-made light for the first time. It looks a lot like the glow that comes from cities on Earth. This has sparked a huge discussion around the world, with famous people like Elon Musk and Bill Nye speaking out to think about what it all means. People all over the world hold their breath as they get more excited. Could these lights mean that a very advanced society is nearby? If that's the case, what does this mean for people and space travel in the future? Proxima B is only 4.5 light-years away, which is pretty close in the big picture of the universe. Still, until now, it was mostly a secret. In the past, telescopes didn't have enough power to truly study it. The JWST, on the other hand, has changed the way we look at planets far away. Its advanced infrared technology has given us new levels of clarity and shown us what look like groups of light on Proxima B's surface. Elon Musk, a visionary supporter of making humans a multiplanetary species, sees this discovery as a huge turning point that could lead to contacts with intelligent life and new areas for humans to explore. Bill Nye, a famous science communicator and strong supporter of space travel, on the other hand, gives a more balanced view. He tells us that these lights could be signs of intelligence, but they could also be caused by natural events that are only happening on Proxima, like strange weather or geological events that make the lights look like they are from a lamp. But the question still stands. What if these lights are fake? The effects would be huge, shaking our beliefs about our unique place in the world and making us think that other intelligent beings may have already reached or even surpassed our technological achievements. This kind of discovery would not only change how we think about life beyond Earth, but it would also change the goals of human space travel. The effects are very serious. Many years ago, people used to look up at the stars and wonder if they were really the only ones in the universe. As soon as intelligent life is found on Proxima B, it will answer that question and many more. What kinds of things live there? How far along has their society become? Could we agree on something? It's not just science fiction that these questions come up. They have real-world implications that could affect everything from foreign policy to the very core of human religion and philosophy. The finding on Proxima B makes us think about our place in the universe, as if it were the key to a whole new era. Elon Musk sees this as a way to bring people together to speed up innovation. He says that soon, people will be able to go to the stars, learn from advanced societies, and maybe even form alliances with cultures from other galaxies. He thinks this is a very important time, one that could spark interstellar desire and make the idea of settling other worlds more real. Another side of the coin is that finding a nearby society could bring up tough moral questions. What should we do if we're not by ourselves? Should we try to help them or watch from afar, making sure we don't get in the way of their life? Some experts, influenced by the late Stephen Hawking's warnings, say that contact could be dangerous and cause problems that were not meant to happen. They tell us to be careful and warn us about what could happen if a more powerful society sees us as a threat. For others, though, the finding means a huge chance that has never been seen before. These beings might know things that could help us deal with Earth's problems, like sickness and damage to the environment. Learning that we're part of a bigger cosmic group could encourage countries on Earth to work together, bringing people together as they pursue a common goal in the stars. The lights on Proxima B make people think of a future that used to seem like something out of a story. They spark people's imaginations and motivate scientists, engineers, and thinkers to work toward progress that could lead to travel between stars one day. If these lights are signs of a civilization, it's a call for people to get ready for a time when we're not the only intelligent beings in the world, not just in terms of science, but also in terms of culture and philosophy. As the JWST keeps doing its amazing job, we are on the verge of making important discoveries. It's not just about science. It's also about what it means to be human, how we connect to each other, and how we see the future for all of us. With each new discovery, we get closer to a time when reaching for the stars isn't just a dream, but a necessary step on our path together. This find on Proxima B makes us wonder, are we ready for the answers that are waiting for us? The lights on Proxima B make us think about a time when people could actually reach their goals of exploring the stars, meeting other civilizations, and figuring out where they fit in the world. Even though these lights may only be the first clue, they have already made all of us want to go into the unknown and find out the amazing secrets that lie beyond our world. If these lights on Proxima B could give us the extra push and public support we need to reach these lofty goals, then colonizing nearby planets or moons would be the first step on our way to becoming an interstellar species, which is a necessary step if we want to cross the huge gaps between stars. One day, the idea of finding intelligent life on Proxima B has also sparked more debate about traveling faster than light, which was once thought of only in science fiction. If this kind of travel were possible, it would open the door to direct exploration of faraway star systems and maybe even direct contact with alien cultures. Not only would physics have to make big steps forward to make this technology work, but so would energy management, material science, and space engineering. Even though it's still a long way off, the idea that we might have intelligent partners in the universe may push scientists to do things they thought were impossible before. Whether or not there is intelligent life on Proxima B would completely change people's sense of purpose and place in the world. People have been thinking about where they came from, how they are different from other species, and the chance that there are other worlds with living things. If lights that look like cities were found, it would answer the age-old question, are we alone? If the answer is yes, it would mean a huge change in how people think about their lives. This would lead to debates in many areas, from religion and philosophy to ethics and sociology. Religious groups around the world might have to figure out how to balance their views with the idea that there is intelligent life beyond Earth. Philosophers would argue about what awareness is and how people should act when they interact with each other. It would be interesting to learn more about evolution if we found out that life on Proxima B developed in very different conditions, but still got to the same level of complexity. In addition, such a finding could give people a stronger sense of unity. Realizing that we are linked to everything else in the universe could lead to global cooperation, shifting the focus from conflicts on Earth to a shared interest in life beyond Earth. This sense of unity could lead to international projects where people work together to study space and get to know our cosmic neighbors in preparation for the first contact. The thought of talking to a more advanced society brings up important and difficult issues. How would people get in touch with intelligent life on Proxima B if it exists? Would it be smart to introduce ourselves? Or should we first look at them from a distance to learn about their ways of life and what they can do? Experts probably wouldn't want to get in touch right away because talking to an advanced society directly could be dangerous. They might see people as a threat, or our presence could cause problems in their culture. Some, though, say that the possible benefits, like having access to more advanced technology and knowledge, are greater than these risks. One of the hardest parts of making contact would be figuring out how to talk to them. Would people on Proxima B understand physics and math the same way we do? Due to its general principles, could science be the way for people from different stars to talk to each other? Linguists, anthropologists, and scientists would have to figure out how to read the signs and come up with a language that everyone could understand. Physicist Stephen Hawking widely pointed out the need to be careful when he said that people should be careful when they approach alien civilizations. If these beings are technologically advanced, they might be able to do things we can't even imagine. To deal with this, you need to be careful, accept what you don't know, and put observation over action. Missions in the future and the way ahead. Finding lights that look like cities on Proxima B could change the goals of space agencies like NASA, SpaceX, and the European Space Agency. Missions that were only about exploration before might now include plans for how to get in touch with alien cultures. Not only would this be hard from a scientific and engineering point of view, but it would also need careful planning to account for the moral issues that come up when humans deal with alien life. Elon Musk is known for wanting to make humans a species that lives on more than one planet. This finding may give him even more reason to improve space travel technology. He and other people in the space world may speed up their work to make propulsion systems that can travel between stars. At the same time, the private and public sectors may work together to fund and support these projects because they think the idea of intelligent life is too interesting to pass up. To get ready for such a possibility, scientists are likely to stress how important it is to study exoplanets in our solar system. Own galaxy a little more. The lights from Proxima B could be the first of many clues that other intelligent civilizations live in close star systems. To keep an eye on these planets and look for more signs of life, new telescopes and observatories will be built with better resolution. The start of a new era in space. The world seems to be more alive, mysterious, and full of possibilities now that we are getting closer to finding intelligent life. The lights seen on Proxima B are a strong reminder of how big the universe is and how full of things we don't understand are waiting to be found. The finding of these lights has already caused a stir, inspiring scientists, dreamers, and visionaries all over the world, whether they are signs of an advanced society or a natural event. As a revolutionary tool, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has revealed secrets from the farthest reaches of space and changed the way we think about the universe. As the telescope continues its journey, it may find even more signs of life, which will help us figure out where we fit in the world. This find on Proxima B could be the start of a new era in human history, one that makes us want to learn more about not only the universe but also our own abilities as cosmic travelers. We have dreams that go beyond our blue world in this new era. The cosmos is where we can look for answers, make touch, and learn more about something. And as people look up at the stars, maybe one day they will see that we are not alone, that we are part of a bigger group in space that has yet to be found. We are very close to finding intelligent life on Proxima B, which makes it clear that we are part of a much bigger story in the universe. The flickering lights in space make us want to learn more, think about what might happen, and picture a world where people reach out to the stars. This trip isn't just about science. It's also about our shared goals, our unity, and our never-ending interest. If we found life beyond Earth, what would that mean to you? How would it change the way you see the world and your place in it? Come along with us as we continue to learn about the secrets of space. Let's dream of the day when we can not only see the stars but also touch them. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and notify me so you never miss an update if you like this look into Proxima B and its mysterious secrets. Do not give up on your dreams and never stop asking questions. You never know when you might find the next big thing. Keep your eyes on the sky until next time.